Welcome to Brushy Brush Fun Time, where every smile is an adventure. Meet our friends from around the world. Asha from India, Miguel from Mexico, and Lee from China. They're about to learn why brushing teeth is so important and so much fun. Look at those shiny teeth. But what's that sneaking around? It's the plaque monster trying to make their teeth all yucky. But don't worry, our friends know just what to do. They grab their toothbrushes and some yummy toothpaste. First, Asha shows us how to brush the front teeth. Up and down, nice and gentle. That's it, Asha. Now Miguel demonstrates brushing the back teeth, round and round, getting all those hard-to-reach spots. Lee reminds us not to forget about brushing our tongue. It helps keep our breath fresh and our mouths clean. Look at them go. They're brushing away the plaque monster.
Remember, we brush for 2 whole minutes twice a day. That's as long as singing the happy birthday song twice.
Great job, friends. Your teeth are sparkling clean. Brushing keeps our teeth healthy and strong. It prevents cavities and helps us have beautiful smiles. And guess what? Brushing can be fun. You can make funny faces in the mirror while you brush, or dance to your favorite song as you clean those teeth. Remember to brush your teeth twice a day, every day. And don't forget to tell your friends about the fun of brushing. Join us next time for more Brushy Brush Fun Time.